Hi everyone, Ashlyn Giza YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about peacock plants. They're also called praying plants. So I'm going to read you guys a little bit of stuff that I found on the web, and then I'm going to show you guys my peacock plant that my friend gifted me. So hold on one moment and let me open these little boxes up. Okay, so uh, the propagation method for this species is by division. So this is done when the plant has grown large enough to separate clumps of the stems with roots. Until the new plant have new growth, cover them with polythene to keep conditions warm and humid. As far as benefits of the peacock plant, the health fact is the peacock plant is a good at removing chemicals, vapors from the air, and also has a reasonably high transpiration rate, making a great addition to your indoor environment. So it purifies your air, basically, is what that means. And, okay. So the botanical name is, now bear with me, I'm not good at saying weird names like this, but it's called Calathea Macoiana. I think is how you say that. They are grown for their striking foliage patterns. All Cathlena look very familiar, but if you look close enough, they all have their own distinctive markings. Cathlena macoya, sorry, is more commonly known as a peacock plant, and that's sure as heck a better and easier way to say it. So that's probably why a lot of people call it that. The foliage somewhat resembles a peacock's tail. It may be said that it is difficult to look after, but this is generally down to the fact that it does not like dramatic changes. Its environment, it's in its environmental conditions. If you can avoid this, it will grow well. So basically, don't take it from the house to outdoors or from a warmer house, apartment, trailer to a cooler apartment, house, or trailer. They don't like change, basically. The peacock plant is good at removing chemical vapors from the air and also has a reasonable high transpiration rate, making a great addition to your indoor environment, which I read that already. I'm having a really hard time reading tonight, guys, so bear with me. How to care for peacock plant is a beautiful tropic house plant framed for its beautiful contrasting green and purplish red leaves that will brighten up any living or indoor space. They do take a little bit of work to keep in good condition, so read all you can to care for them. So, how to care for them? They need bright and indirect sunlight, temperatures of 60 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, and high humidity. Water when the soil surface starts to get kind of dry, and fertilize with a dilute balanced fertilizer every 2 to 4 weeks, and pinch the black stems to create a fuller bushy plant. Okay. As with many other houseplants, the peacock plant has a tropical orange or I can't say this word, origins, which is one of the reasons it does so well indoor. It is native to the tropical forest of Brazil, found growing under the shade canopies of tall tropical trees. My gosh, you guys. Okay. Peacock plant care needs. So avoid direct sunlight, maintain moist soil, which I already said, And you want to put them in a pot that has the holes in the bottom of it so it can drain some of the water. So any excess water, yeah, it can dry out or drain out. Um, so you want to prune them as well. You want to remove any old leaves and pinch back to maintain compact growth. And you don't want to split the plant up and make into a new plant until the summertime, either, is what this is saying. So they're non-toxic, safe for humans and pets like cats, dogs, whatever animals you have. Essentially, people have cats in their home. They're safe for cats, so that's good. Um, they can grow up to 2 feet tall. Um, these are a little bit of the characteristics of the peacock plant. So they can grow up to 2 feet tall. Their pale leaves grow to 10 to 12 inches long and have a dark green feathered effect from the middle of the leaf to the outer edge. Undersides of the leaves are pinkish maroon, and the new leaves look pink before they unroll, which I have yet to see because me and my husband have been looking at the plant and there's little pokey things showing that they're new, it's new growth, but I'll show you guys the plant, or my plant, in a second, and they aren't pink. They look more, my plant looks more maroon. So I'll show you guys. But okay. So here's something that I was researching myself and found at nighttime when I was up really, really late, and I sent this to my friend. So I'll just read to you guys what I wrote to her. I said, I know you're sleeping, but I've been doing research on the peacock plant, and I found out that they are in the arrowroot family, and that the alocasia plants are in the arum family, and the arum family are essentially in the arrowroot family. So they're pretty much in the same family. So that was pretty interesting too. And I messaged her that pretty late at night. So that's why I said that to her. But anyway, so I'm going to show you guys the plant. I'm going to turn on the light so you guys can see. Sorry for me not being able to read very good tonight. It's been a long day. So, as you guys cannot see yet, let me put this in the light. As you guys can see, mine is maroon. It's not pink like they say, but mine, it has purplish, maroonish leaves. The back of the leaves are, and then if I turn it around and I show you guys the front, they're green, light green and dark green. And I don't know if you guys can see this or not because I can't really get the light to shine on it. Oh, okay, there you go. So if I pull those other leaves back and see my thumb, how that has the pointy leaf, and this one does too, those are going to grow and unroll into big leaves like these. So it's doing really good, obviously, because it has lots of new growth at the bottom. So that's my prune plant, or my peacock plant, whichever you want to call it. And it's about ready to actually pray for the night. As you can see, they're kind of all starting to stick out. So I notice at night that's what it does, and then more towards maybe 5 o'clock in the morning-ish, it'll start to open up. So they're really pretty, and I like that they take the toxins out of there. I actually did not know that until now. So that's pretty cool. Or, well, actually that's a lie. My friend told me. I just forgot. But I'm happy that it takes toxins out of the air because I actually found out the other day my husband has COVID. So that's probably why I'm not doing so good, you guys, because I've been freaking out about whether or not the kids and me are going to get it. So he is laying, resting here. Say hi to everybody on my YouTube channel. Having COVID. And wow, I'm taking care of my kiddos here and myself, so we're in isolation, so not good. And I'll do a YouTube video on that maybe tomorrow, or maybe when he gets a negative test and things get going better. So that's a little bit about the Peacock Plant, and if you guys know a little bit more about it or find out more information that I didn't say or don't know about, let me know in the comments below because I would love to know more about them. If there's more information that I missed and didn't read, I would like to hear about it. So I hope you guys have a good night, and I will be on with another life topic. Gosh, forget this day. Bye, guys.